Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi 13 Ultra versus Rog Phone 8 Pro. Xiaomi 13 Ultra launched on April 2023 with the price tag of $999. ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,199. The body dimension: Xiaomi 13 Ultra, height 6.43 inches, width 2.94 inches, thickness 9.1 mm.
Body.
The Rog Phone 8 Pro, height 6.45 inches, width 3.02 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 227 gram and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 225 gram. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with front glass, equalizer back and aluminium frame. Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type of the devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 6.73 inches screen size and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 6.78 inches screen size. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2K screen resolution and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 1080p screen resolution. And the PPI intensity: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 522 PPI intensity and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 388 PPI intensity. And the refresh rate: Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 120Hz refresh rate, the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 165 refresh rate. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 88.2% screen to body ratio and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 89.5% screen to body ratio. And the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Gorilla Glass Victus protection.
Camera.
The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 2500 nits peak of brightness. And the camera setup: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra quad camera setup, 50 megapixel wide with 1 inch sensor, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel telephoto with Leica lens. And it's record 8K 24 fps video. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel telephoto with 8K 24 fps video record. And the front camera: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video record. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera and 1080p video record. The platform of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with octa-core Cortex-X3 CPU and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset. The Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset and the GPU. The ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with Adreno 750 and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Adreno 740. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with Android 13 MIUI 14 operating system and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with Android 14 operating system. The memory of these devices: the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage: Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB internal storage and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 512GB and 1TB internal storage. No SD card support in both devices. Let's go to the battery setup. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 4700 mAh battery and the Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 5500 mAh battery. And the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 80 watt fast charging and the ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 65 watt fast charging. The ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro comes with 15 watt wireless charging and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra comes with 50 watt wireless charging. And the both models come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro have gaming triggers too. And the result of these devices: the ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro got 21 points and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra got 18 points.
Battery. Comms and features.